The Roewe D5X is equipped with a new 1.5T turbocharged hybrid engine with a maximum motor power of 110 kilowatts and a maximum electric motor power of 153 kilowatts, and is equipped with a high-efficiency dual-motor hybrid drive. Pure electric cruising range under CLTC conditions is 135 km, CLTC comprehensive cruising range is 1,300 km. This kind of cruising performance is already at the mainstream level in the industry. The front housing adopts trapezoidal grille design and is equipped with crossover-type headlights. The sides and back of the body adopt a hidden design. 18-inch, 19-inch and 20-inch wheels. The interior of the car has a suspended structure, while the dual-screen design retains a small number of physical buttons. The steering wheel shape is similar to that of the Roewe D7 and is equipped with a crystal gear lever that enriches the interior. Looking at the design of the Roewe D5X, it is not difficult to see that although the Roewe D5X entered the hybrid car market late, its overall design is also quite competitive, such as ultra-long cruising range, good appearance and high performance. The interior can provide users with a good automobile experience and also effectively reflects the importance Saic Roewe attaches to the hybrid market. Compared to competing products of the same level, the main difference of the Roewe D5X is battery life and energy consumption. Even the entry-level low-end version of the D5X can have a pure electric cruising range of 135 km. In comparison, the entry-level models of the Haval Xiaolong and Geely Galaxy L7 have a pure electric cruising range of more than 50 km, while the slightly longer Song Plus DMI entry-level model has a pure electric cruising range of only 110 km. For users commuting in general urban areas, the additional battery life redundancy provided by the Roewe D5X can be directly transformed into an electric vehicle during the daily commute, further meeting users' economy needs while providing electric travel pleasure. From a design perspective, the new car has quite well inherited the formidable hybrid technology that the brand has accumulated over the years, and even its appearance, configuration and other aspects are at the mainstream level in the automobile market.